वेलकम बैक माय शाहबाज व्यूअर्स। आज मेरी प्लानिंग से आप इश्कबाज भी बन जाएंगे। कहते हैं प्यार थोड़ा मीठा होना चाहिए और थोड़ा तीखा और थोड़ा खट्टा, because spice up things with variety, folks. So today we're going to make a thoda meetha, thoda namkeen kind of amazing caramel salted cheese stuffed mushroom caps. Take this out because we are going to be marinating all our mushrooms in this and also going to be baking it in this. And in this, I'm going to mix my stuffing. Now for the stuffing, what we need is some cheese because Valentine's Day and some dill. Actually, it's dill. Oh God, we're so corny on the show. I love it. Now into this dill, I'm going to add a little freshly cut spring onions and then some good amount of chili flakes, a little pepper, and after all that spice, caramel flavor syrup. And now, adding a little bit of salt to all that caramel. I'm going to give this a nice mix. Now, we are going to stuff these mushrooms. So I'll give you a really nice tip on how you can clean mushrooms really well. If you toss it around in a strainer, it gets cleaned. You can also take the skin of the mushroom off. But the nicest way, of course, is to take the mushrooms and put them into corn flour and then just put it under running water. So the corn flour gets washed away, and along with it, all the little dirt that you feel, that you see stuck on the mushrooms also gets washed away. I am going to put some garlic on these mushrooms that are looking so cute. And we have some red wine vinegar. A little olive oil. And last but not the least, rock salt. And now I'm going to be putting this into the oven for 5 minutes. Just look at these cute button mushrooms. All right? Here it is, our cute romantic meal made with mushrooms. This is a recipe that you should definitely make. There's nothing more romantic, I think, than a guy who really cooks well. So a little balsamic vinegar. So this is the meal you need to cook for Valentine's Day. So take a quick recap and come right back.
Caramel salted mushroom cheese caps. In a bowl, add 100-gram grated cheddar cheese, 100-gram dill leaves, 100-gram chopped spring onions, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, crushed black pepper to taste, 50 ml of caramel flavored syrup, and salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients well. Now stuff the filling into your washed and cored mushroom caps. Place them in a baking tray and garnish them with 3 chopped garlic cloves and 4 to 5 teaspoons of red wine vinegar. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil and rock salt to taste. Bake the stuffed caps in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Finally, drizzle 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar onto the freshly baked mushrooms. Your delicious caramel salted mushroom cheese caps are ready.